Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is Visual Studio Code. It's it's 1751, and you can see down here that I have Copilot activated, and I'm using sqlite for this particular database. And what I have here is a description of the code. Now, beginning of the description of the code. You might actually know these as prompts. So let's find out if GitHub Copilot is smart enough to pick it up. So it's telling me import SQLite as a comment. I will accept that. And I'm waiting for the rest. Def read table con. Read the table in the database. Con cursor select from questions. I didn't specify quiz questions, but it did pick up. That is the name of my database. That's good. Def main. The database. I'm hitting enter. If main. Right, so that's it. It didn't use the color coding at all, but let's go ahead and see what happens when, it didn't print it either. Okay, returns. Okay, I didn't want return. Prints the value of the headers. Okay, that's what I need. Prints. I don't need the values. It just needs prints the headers. And so I'm going to remove all of this. And I'm going to accept that first one. I don't know why it's... Oh, I accept that and then enter. Read table. Select from quiz questions. Okay. Print row. Print description. Interesting. I hit enter. Nothing happened. Def main. And connect to the database. And connection closed. Enter. Enter. If name equals main. Enter. All right. So it did print. So let's go ahead and see if it added. It didn't do anything about pretty print. That's fine. I'm not going to worry about that too much. Let's go ahead and run it and see what happens. Let's run it again. Okay, you can see that the category is there, ID is there. Incorrect answers. That technically worked, so I'm not going to reject that. So let's rename this. Control S. We'll call this Open Pilot. And now I'm going to take the same prompt, and you know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop it into ChatGPT and see what it produces. Okay, so you can see it didn't import anything for alternating color coding. Yep, it picked up headers. Oh, look at that. It did. It's adding coloring. Wow, that's a much smaller function. And we close that, copy the code here, And you can see it's giving lots of details about what the heck's going on. I like that, but let's go ahead and complete this little examination. Control Shift S, we'll call this chat GPT. Read table.py. Enter, paste. Let's close this. And theoretically, since that's what it spit out, it should just do what it's going to do. I don't see any print here. So it doesn't look like it. Maybe because I haven't called it. So let's go ahead and def main, print headers. Okay, so the function, it probably said something in here about calling the function. Connection close, but it didn't include the command or the requirement where to call the print header, but that's fine. We'll go ahead and do this. We hit the run button and nothing. So that's a quick demonstration of GitHub Copilot. Did I say OpenPilot? I did. This is Copilot. So pound for pound, ChatGPT didn't deliver what I wanted. Yeah, it doesn't print anything to the console. Whereas with a little bit of coaxing, I was able to get this to work. Thanks for watching and happy computing.